Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. We are starting new chapter, chapter 5, helping verbs. To know what is helping verb, we have to revise what is verb. Verb, we have read that it is an doing word or an action words. Verbs show us that someone or something is doing some actions. Okay. And helping verbs always helps these main verb or the doing words to make a sentence to give a complete meaning of the sentence. Okay, so helping verb is a being or having verb that comes before a doing verb and helps to make the sentence complete. For example, I am playing. Playing is an action verb, and we are putting am over there to give a sentence, to give a meaning. Okay, to complete the sentence. So am is a helping verb. You should do your homework. Should do. Do is an action verb, and should is an helping verb. Okay. So, helping verbs helps main verbs to make a complete sentence to give it helps to give the sentence a meaning. Okay. Now next read the conversation, underline the verbs. Mom, what are the four basic elements in nature? Our teacher has given this as homework. So here given is a verb, action verb. You know them. Know. See, know is not showing any action. It is a mental action. It is showing the mental action. Anything knowing we cannot see, but we can feel. That is a mental action. Just try to remember them. Remember is also a mental action. It is not a physical action. All right, mom. Let's see. Air, fire, soil, and now Anish is trying to remember. Mom, and as Anish cannot remember the fourth element, mom gives a hint. What do you wash your hands with? Wash. Washing is an action verb. That means physical action. I get it so. Get is an action. Okay? So verbs are action word. Verbs are action words. They express a physical action such as jump or laugh, or a mental action such as think or dream. There are two types of verbs that you read about in the text above. Main verbs like remember and helping verbs like has. Main verbs express action. What do helping verbs do? Main verbs express action. What do helping verbs do? So, helping verbs help the main verbs to form sentence. For example, Mr. John is sitting in his garden. So, is helping the main verb sitting to make the sentence. Okay, is helping main verb to give the meaning to the sentence. Birds are flying in the sky. Are is a helping verb and flying is the main verb or action verb. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. There are a number of helping verbs. We can put them into six families. Be family, have family, do family, can family, shall family, and will family. Be family. Am is are is from the be family. It shows present tense. Am is used with I, is used with the singular nouns, and are is used with the plural nouns. Was where. Was is used in the past tense, was where is used to show the past. Was for the singular noun, where for the plural nouns. Okay? Be, being, been, this is used in perfect tense. Okay, these are used in perfect tense. Have family, have three, has, have had. Has is haves and have is used in present tense. Has is used for singular noun, have is used for plural noun, and had is used for singular and plural both in past form. Do family, do, does, did. Do is used for plural noun. Does is used for singular noun, and did is used for singular and plural both in past tense. Okay? Can is used to show the present form, could is used to show the past form. Shall and will, these things we usually use to show the future time. Shall and will we use to show the future time, but in future time also, in present and past, we use should and would. Okay, we will read more about these things, can, shall, and will, in class 5. Okay, helping verbs also help in telling the time. They indicate whether an action is done in the present or in the past. From two groups of two, tell your partner. This one you have not to do now. Okay, next, let's practice. Circle the words that are not helping verbs in each row. For example, one is done for you. Can, shall, say, will. Can, shall, will is the helping verb, but say is not the helping verb. Where, at, being, be. At is not a helping verb, we have to circle it. Do, did, shall, done. Done is used as an action verb. We will not use it as a helping verb. So done we have to circle. Has, had, on, could. On you have to circle. Do, am, have, eat. Eat you have to circle it. And F to J will do by yourself, and I will give you the answer key. We'll check then. Underline the helping verbs in the sentences given below. Notice how the helping verbs express past time and present time. For example, I am telling A and B, I will tell you, and C to I you have to do. I am visiting my uncle now. So am visiting is showing the present time. We are going for a picnic in his car. Are is used for the present tense. So are is it is showing the present tense. You have to underline the helping verb, that is are. Number C, my cousins have come with us. Have underline it, and it is showing present form. My aunt was not coming with us. Was past form. And next you will do by yourself. Okay. Now next. And it will be better, number 2, if you will do in the copy. Number 2, do in the copy. Copy the question and then write the answers. I am visiting my uncle. You will write in first line. Next line you will write am. Then give a hyphen or a dash, and you will write present form. Okay. Next, when a helping verb is followed by not, the not can be shortened. So, for example, will not will be won't, had not will be hadn't, cannot will be can't, have not will be haven't, do not we can use don't, could not couldn't, will not won't. Read the puzzles and the answers given below. As you read, circle the helping verbs. What can happen if you jump into the Black Sea? These things you will not do. Cut it, okay? Page number 39, number 1, cut it. Next, rewrite the sentences using the shortened form of not with the helping verbs. You will do this one in the book. We should not shout in the class. We shouldn't, SHOULD Write like this. We shouldn't shout in the class, but we can shout at the picnic. You have to write the full sentence answer. Don't write only shouldn't, marks will be deducted. My aunt could not play Chinese checker. You have to write my aunt couldn't, COULD apostrophe T, couldn't play Chinese checker. You will do by this one in your book, and you will check it when I will give you the answer keys. Next activity will look after that revision. Write the 4 things you know about helping verbs. Dash are helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. You have to write auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. Helping verbs have 2 forms, dash and dash. No need to do the revision. Okay. No need to do the revision. So, till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time. And read the chapter, do the exercises, because I will see it in the online class. Till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.